Cancer or कर्कट का राशि. Health. In year 2024, Saturn will be positioned in your 8th house. That means you will be under the influence of Saturn's dhaya. Your negligence may invite serious health issues. Saturn's aspect on 2nd house, 5th house and 10th house will make you prone to stomachache and headache. Retrograde Saturn in June will further aggravate these conditions. Mars transit over Saturn between 15th March and 23rd April will worsen piles-related issues. You should also be careful around fire during this time. Be very mindful of the quality and hygiene of your food. Your health will improve at the end of the year. Financial condition. In year 2024, Saturn will aspect the 2nd house of money in your chart. Due to this aspect, you may face some financial problems. Jupiter will be positioned in 10th house till April, and this entire period won't be favorable from financial perspective. There might be losses in business between January and April. But still you will always help others in their time of need. Avoid spending money on controversial issues. You will earn good profits in business between April and June. Commission-based work and investment in share market will give you handsome returns. The last quarter of the year will be favorable for you. Family and social life. The time between January and April will be most favorable for your family. After May transit of Jupiter to Taurus, be careful about the health of your father. The aspect of Jupiter will bring peace and prosperity in your family. New vehicle and property will keep you happy. There might be some auspicious ceremony in your family after Jupiter's transit in May. Your children will achieve excellent success in their careers. Your aggressive language may negatively impact your relationship with others. Love life. In year 2024, you will need to maturely handle your relationships. Multitude of problems will arise in your life due to the position of Saturn in 8th house. Between February and April, you might have frequent arguments with your life partner. So, act very sensibly during this time. After May transit of Jupiter, you might get into new love relationship. But there would be many misunderstandings in your relationship due to the aspect of Saturn. Unmarried people might get married by the year end. After October, love and happiness will increase in your marriage. Education and career. This year, new partners may join your business. This new partnership will prove profitable for your business. But the year may begin on a negative note. Students may get distracted from studies. Those who are preparing for competitive exams may get success this year after the month of May. The year is particularly favorable for students who have been preparing for many years. There will be huge profits in businesses associated with law, medical and mining sector. The 9th house Rahu will be helpful to those who want to go abroad for pursuing their education. Suggestion: reciting Hanuman Chalisa and Shani Stotram on Saturdays will benefit you. The Rashifal expert from Bajantari Services extends heartfelt wishes for a prosperous year ahead. Thanking you. Bajantari Puja Services.